Reason for Joule-Thomson cooling. So we have seen in the Joule-Thomson effect, we take a container which is made of adiabatic walls. Let us take the container which is of two parts. One part is having a very low volume occupied. This is at low volume, and the other has high volume. So it is divided in two parts, where in one part the gas is filled in the low volume condition. That means the gas is now under highly compressed state, exerting a high pressure, where the other one I can take it as a vacuum or at a low pressure region. It is considered to be the low pressure region. Now there is a small orifice or a hole through which a gas molecule can penetrate and can enter into the opposite vessel. It has been closed initially. Now when I open that particular knob, now the gas molecule starts to move. Imagine the situation. If it is an ideal gas, what will happen? If it is an ideal gas, I have a molecule. Let us imagine the molecule is at this point. The molecule is here, and this molecule is free to move. It will immediately will penetrate into this particular one very peacefully, and there is no disturbance that can be observed. Every molecule can move by its own velocity, by its own momentum, and by its own energy, and the energy will not get disturbed, velocity will not get disturbed, momentum will not get disturbed. So maintains the same throughout while moving from high pressure to low pressure. But we know a gas is not ideal at every condition. Every gas is a real gas at a normal conditions of temperature and pressure. It is a real gas, not an ideal gas. If you consider a real gas existing, what will be there in the real gas? A real gas will have attractions by the molecules surrounding it in the medium. It is being attracted by the molecules around it in the all the directions available surrounding the neighboring molecules around it in the behind regions. So they start to pull the molecules inside. So the molecule wants to move out of that particular vessel through the hole. The molecules behind are pulling it behind with an inward pull. So the molecule is under the inward pull. So the molecule experiences an inward pull, resultant inward pull. Where a molecule wants to go opposite direction, the molecules behind are pulling into the vessel. So here what does the molecule do? The molecule tries to break these intermolecular forces. That molecule tries to break the intermolecular forces utilizing its own energy, its own internal energy. It tries to break the intermolecular forces, and thereby it start to move into this particular container. While it comes into this particular one, you need to understand how the molecule which has come from that particular high pressure region to the low, now to the low pressure region, is left with less kinetic energy. It is left with the less energy because it has utilized some of its energy in overcoming intermolecular forces. So the molecule will be left out with less kinetic energy. So in this way, all the molecules which are coming from high pressure to low pressure will lose certain amount of their own energy at the expense of loss of some energy in overcome the intermolecular forces. The average kinetic energy of the overall system decreases, which reflects the direct proportionality on the temperature. Since there is no relation with the surroundings, the total contact with the surrounding is being isolated because of adiabatic wall. Now the temperature also falls down because of the decrease in the kinetic energy, and this is the reason for the cooling effect. So when we say the molecules fall apart from one another, thus work is done to overcome the attractive forces at the expense of kinetic energy. So consequently, the kinetic energy decreases and the temperature drops within the system. So this can be explained as a reason for cooling of the gas due to Joule-Thomson effect.